Yeah, as you are aware, our forces have been involved in the operations here in Mogadishu. Today I decided to come and visit some of our soldiers, to visit the patients who are in hospital, who have been on the front line working to stabilize the country. Yeah, our soldiers have done so well, particularly in the recent operations the last 2-3 days. We had 2 districts which have been liberated, Hodon district and Bondere, which are now under full control of the TFG supported by ourselves. Our soldiers have demonstrated commitment, courage and hard work, and obviously what they're doing is going to bring about stability, is going to bring about security not only to Somalia, to the region, to the continent and to the world. Our level 2 hospital has done so well. Our doctors and medical team have been working round the clock to make sure that they provide the service, the medical support to the injured members of AMISOM, and we hope that everything possible will be done to make sure that they do the best to help the injured. Thank you very much. Hawa ni colleagues kutoka headquarter na daktari mwingine. Wametoka Addis Ababa, wengine Nairobi, wengine colleagues wale wamekuja hapa hivi karibuni.
Has affected soft tissues. There is an effect.
Okay. Pole sana. Kuja kusema pole kwako. Okay.
Wanaita 14 57 anzikopo Nyakatura Edward.
Edward nani?
Nyakatura.
Nyakatura. Wewe unatoka Eastern ama Western?
Mimi natoka Hoima.
Asante basi. Tumetembea kuwapigia pole.
Lazima sasa.
Mlifanya kazi mzuri. Hao wenzangu kutoka Addis Ababa, wengine kutoka sikia vizuri haraka. Na turudi kazi,
Blood donation is one of the, giving blood is one of the precious gifts one can give to another person. It is very important because when somebody needs blood, he needs blood and nothing else. If you don't give him blood at that time, probably will not need it again because he will be dead.